Welcome to Money Markers Trading Academy. Now, if you've already clicked on this page, you are at the right place. Now, I'm sure you have seen me trading on YouTube. The way I trade, the system I use for my personal trading, you have seen the results already. That is why you are here on my page to learn everything in details. The strategy which I use for my personal trading, the strategy that has been profitable for me throughout so many years, and the strategy which you see here on my YouTube channel. You have seen the results already. You have seen how insanely profitable these strategies are, the one I use on my YouTube channel. But let me tell you something. This is not something you're going to learn straight away in this course. This course is built in the structure that you need to learn the basic section, then you will learn the intermediate section, and then you will learn the advanced section of this course. There are so many things which you see me trading on YouTube is something that I have done after so many years, after I was profitable using the systematic based strategies which you are going to learn in this course. And after that, you will learn the other strategies which I use for my personal trading. So everything is built in the structure that needs to be done for you to become a profitable trader. Now, let me ask you something. Do you have a New Year resolution? If not, this can be a New Year resolution. Maybe you want to have your financial freedom, or you want to become a professional trader, or you want to make this trading as your part-time thing. Anything, this is the right time to get this course, because after that there will be no more guessing games in the market. You will have all the rules which I personally use for my personal trading to become a profitable and professional trader. Now, I'm sure you have lots of questions in your mind what to expect from this course, what other lessons looks like. So I want to give you a bit of overview about the lessons and what to expect from this course, so that you have no confusions left or no questions left in your mind. And if you are still confused and if you still have any questions, you can always DM me on Instagram, or you can always email me at umar@moneymarkers.net. Another thing I want to make it clear, this is the forex trading course. I know you guys seen me trading on YouTube using the commodities analysis. If you are my priority member, you know I mainly trade forex, and you receive the weekly forex zones report and the entry pattern you learn according to the forex pairs. I've just recently started the commodities as well, but I want to make this thing clear for you that all the strategies which you're going to learn in this course based on the forex pair. I do have some commodities added in the advanced section of this course, because all the strategies which you're going to learn in this course are applicable on every single market out there. These strategies are valid for commodities as well. If you want to trade cryptos, it is totally valid for cryptos as well, as you have already seen the results on commodities. I have learned all these strategies. I have traded all these strategies on forex. Now I use all these strategies on commodities, and as you can see, the results are insane. Now, talking about commodities, it's only nat gas I have seen that works really awesome with my technical analysis. Gold works fine sometime and other commodities works fine sometime, but the framework you will learn and the strategies you will learn will work exactly the same for every single market out there. I want to make this thing clear for you that everything you're going to learn is based on forex pair. All the backtesting you will see in this course based on the forex pairs. I have only tested mainly forex pair. I have added net gas as well because I have uploaded around more than 350 videos. That is why it is one of my tested commodities. That is why I decided to add net gas example in this course. Make sure when you're buying this course, you know it is a forex trading course. You will learn how to mark the support and resistance zones. The rules are exactly the same for commodities, for cryptos, or any other stock market out there. So let's go on the screens and let me walk through the website and let me show you what to expect from this course. Let me show you some lessons there. So see you on the screens. So the first thing I want to show you how you can buy this course. So this is now my new website, much more improved. You can get an instant access to the course once you pay for your service. In my old website, I need to send you the login details once you purchase the course. Then you need to wait for 2 to 24 hours to get your login details. But here you get your course access straight away once you buy your plan. So if you move down, all you need to do, you can either click on buy course or membership, which I'm going to go through in a moment. So this is the course plan, which is a premium plan. Right here, you get the full trading course. So if you want to buy this one, all you need to do, click on join and then just create your account right here. Click on join and just create your account as normal. Purchase your plan. Once you purchase your plan, you get an email, a confirmation email. Then once you get that, all you need to do is just click on logins. And once you sign in, it will take you to this page. So what you can do, you can click on your account right here. and you see the membership, click on membership, and then you have your membership here, MMTA full course. You don't need to buy 2 plans, but because once you purchase full course, the priority group will be free for you 1 whole year. So click on the course, click on go to membership area. It will take you right here to the videos. Now all you need to do, click on the basic section. So by default it will be on all videos, which you don't want to do. All you need to do, click on basic section, and then you have your videos right here. So the only thing I want you to adjust, which maybe you like it or not, but I like my screen looks a bit smaller, which what I mean by that, just click on intro right here. So what happened is it opens the full screen. So once you click here, I like it smaller, which is like this. Like that I have the whole window in front of me. So I scroll it up like this and keep my videos running like this. This is how I like. And if you scroll back down, you see all the lessons. If you want to move forward, you click on disclaimer, then you have lesson number 2 right here, then lesson number 3 right here, lesson number 4 right here. This is how you can scroll back and forth. If you want to, just ignore this part. All you need to do, if you want to forward your lesson, click here, previous lesson right here, the back arrow. And if you just want to look all the lessons, just click on MMTA course money markers. It will take you back to all the lessons, and then click on basics right here. So like this, you have all the lessons in order. This is the whole lesson in order, and right here you have all the lesson till right here. So then you need to go to intermediate section, and you can do exactly the same I have just shown. Now I'll take you back to the old website. That is a pre-recorded video where I will explain how the lessons will look like and what to expect from these lessons. These lessons are exactly in the same order, but I just want to show you how it looks like on this new website and how you can manage your screens. So you will have the basic section where you have the course introduction, and where you have disclaimer, and then we have the trading psychology section where you will learn the trading psychology and how to control your trading psychology, how to master trading psychology. Basically these 6 chapters are based on that. Then we will have the forex basics introduction. Right here we will have 9 to 10 chapters where you will learn all the forex basics, like how to read currency pair, what is the pip, how to calculate the pip, how to use leverage, the spread, and all the basics you need to learn in order to start your career in forex. Then we have the indicator introduction. We have these 3 indicators which we're going to use in this course. Right here you're going to learn these indicators, which is the ATR, RSI, and the moving averages, which you're going to learn here, and the detailed insight of how to use these indicators. Then we have a wrap here. I'm going to talk to you what we have learned in this course and what to expect next from here. So this is your basic section right here, and then you have your intermediate section. Now in the intermediate section, things are a bit difficult, bit technical, because then you are ready to understand the technical analysis. Now at this point you will learn the technical analysis, and then you have how to read candlestick, then you will have how to read price action in the trending market, and then you will learn the candlestick pattern. Then you will have these strategies here. Then you will learn these pullback strategies based on 2 powerful way of entering the market. Right here you will learn these strategies here, how to identify on the live charts. Then you have the pullback strategy. You will learn here all the rules for bullish, bearish, and then I will show you all the entries, the way we enter the market, all the examples, so that you have no confusions left, whatever you have learned before that. Then we will have the 382 fib reversal strategy, which you're going to learn here, and then we will have the bullish, bearish, and all the examples of the strategy which you have learned before that. Then we will have the slingshot Fibonacci trigger strategy. This is a very powerful strategy which I use a lot for my trading. This is what you're going to learn here. We will have rules for that, and then we will have the example of that. Then you will have the risk management chapter here. In that we will have 5 to 6 lessons, and then we will have optimization of strategies here, how to optimize your strategy, which you have already learned previously in this intermediate section. And then I will teach you how to optimize your entries and target, how to take multiple targets, and how to manage your trades, and then how to backtest your strategies. And then we will build a full trading plan. Whatever you have learned in this course, we will build a plan out of that. And then we will wrap here, and we will talk about what we have learned and what to expect next from this course. Then we will have choosing a right broker. I will talk about the brokers you need to choose, what you need to look in the brokers once you are ready to take your trading. Then we have a strategy room. This is the place where I will be adding strategies in futures. I will have some strategy which I'm backtesting, and once the backtesting is complete, once I have a good results of that, I'll be adding those strategies here in this intermediate section. I've already added one strategy, which is the pullback strategy with the advanced target. This is a strategy I've already added here. Then we will have the advanced section, the difficult section, and the discretionary way of trading right here. Now, in this section, you will learn how to mark support and resistance zone. I'm sure you guys must be waiting for this section, but this is something you will learn in the advanced section, and this is something you need to wait until you are pro in the intermediate section. But this is what you will expect here. You will have the introduction to support and resistance. I will teach you the concept of support and resistance. Then we will have how to construct the support and resistance, counter trade zone, bearish, bullish. Then we have a trend continuation zone, bearish and bullish. Then we will test these zones according to whatever we have learned right above here. Then we will have the aggressive entry bearish rule, aggressive entry bullish rules. Then we have the aggressive entries example, whatever we have learned right here. Then I will teach you how to identify the valid double top double bottoms. Then we have the valid double top double bottom entries. Then we have this bonus video. This is an added video for double top and double bottom. Some extra rules here you will learn. Then you will learn how to rank the support and resistance, which is the good level, which is the bad level, and the time frames. You will learn the way you can enter in the good levels and the way you can enter at the bad level of support and resistance. This is what you're going to learn here. Then we have the major and minor zones, and then we will have one more strategy, which is the RSI U-turn strategy. You will learn the bearish, bullish, and then we will have an examples of that, whatever you have learned. Then we have the advanced multiple pattern reversal strategy. Then we will have one more strategy, which is TC advanced Fibonacci pullback strategy. You will learn all the details about this strategy here in this course. Then we will have the bonus video of that. Then you will learn one more pattern, which is head and shoulder pattern rules. Then you will learn the head and shoulder pattern on the real charts, and then we will have entries you will learn here. Lastly, we have how to trade commodities, placing stops and targets. So this is basically everything which you have learned throughout this course and how you can apply these on your commodities and how to place targets for commodities. I've added gold, crude oil, and nat gas examples here in this section. And then we will have the pro trading plan. This is something we will just talk about after this course is finished. I will summarize the whole course here, and we will do some trader talks. And let me take you to the website and the useful tools here for you. And if you scroll down and if you see, you have the position size calculator. It will take you to the myfxbook.com, and then we have a profit calculator, and then you have economic calendar, which is investing.com. So these are the useful links for you. And with that, you have the market analysis section here. If you click on it, it will take you to this page where I'll be giving the market analysis along with the commodities and forex. You'll be seeing the other stock market analysis here on weekly basis. So keep an eye here as well for the stock markets update as well. And you also have this world clock here, the world clock for the major countries right here. As you can see, the times, the different times of the different countries. And you have the broker section right here. Once you click on it, you will have these broker section if you want to open an account. These are my affiliate brokers. I'll be removing few brokers from here. Now let's talk about the terms and conditions and refund. And if you scroll down, you will have all these quick links, terms and conditions. We have this email address, my social links right here, and then we have a refund policy. For this course, I do not offer refunds because this course is based on video tutorials and it is very easy to copy and record these videos nowadays. That is why it is very easy to cheat, that someone can record the course or someone can record the videos and apply for the refund. That is why if you want to go through the refund policy before you buy this course, this is the policies attached right here and all the other terms and condition if you want to go through. So that is it, my friends. This is what you will expect from this course. I hope now you have a good idea what to expect from this course. And if you're still confused, you can always email me or DM me on Instagram. So before I end this video, I just want to tell you guys, at this stage of your trading, before you bought this course, you've been trading, you've been losing money a lot in the financial market, and you have maybe lost a lot of thousands of pounds or dollars, because I have also lost that. But now this is the time to invest in yourself. This course is just $6.99 and one-off payment. There is nothing to invest in yourself, because I'm not saying that you are, but traders are just ready to lose thousands of pounds in the financial market without knowing what to do in the financial market, just by guessing in the market, just by gambling in the market. I assure you, once you purchase this course, you will have tons of knowledge. You will learn every single thing which requires you to become a professional and profitable trader. And I'm not an alien for you. You have seen me trading on YouTube. I have uploaded so many videos there. Go back, feel free to check and see the results. I have Telegram channel as well. See the trade results there as well. Verify the results as well. And if you're satisfied, only then come and buy this course, because I'm not someone asking you to buy this course just randomly by placing the ad on the Instagram or Facebook to buy this course. I have proven myself by showing you the results. I have taught you for so many months now. I have traders in my priority group who can now able to take their own trades just by learning in the priority group. Imagine if you learn the full rule-based strategies, full trading plan, your games of trades will go up to another level. So that is it I wanted to talk before I end this video. If you are still confused, if you have any questions about the course, feel free to email me or DM me. I will answer all your questions or any confusions you may have. So I will see you guys inside Money Markets Trading Academy. Take care.